morning. This is us leaving a very fancy yacht club. We've had a great 3 nights, just relaxing in Key West, had some amazing seafood. So we're just going to nip in. Oh, that's a big crane. We're just going to, sorry, forklift. Going to nip in and pick up our laundry. I'm finally going to get some clean clothes ready for the few days in Miami. And then we've got a 2-hour drive to Key Largo, up the Florida Keys, where we're going to grab some lunch at another Triple D restaurant. I think it's called the Fish House. And then after that we've got maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours up into Miami, which is our final destination. We've got 4 nights there until we catch our flight back to Thailand. It's going to be a good day. It looks like these shoes have finally died as well, so I can't remember where I left my last pair of boots, but they did the job. They got me through America. But yeah, it feels like I'm leaving bits and parts of me all over the place. Sandwich. Seafood fajita wrap sounds good. Seafood tacos or fish tacos sound good. Lobster Ruben, that sounds interesting. Arai tuna poke. We should have just gone to like a little taco restaurant that only serves like one dish. Might be the Lobster Reuben.
Yeah, that looks interesting.
Florida lobster sauerkraut. Homemade Thousand Island, Swiss cheese and grilled rye bread. Do you want to get something else then? Maybe go 50-50.
Seafood fajita wrap or fish tacos?
Oh what?
Fish tacos.
They're the other two I was looking at.
Seafood tacos.
And here we have the Lobster Reuben.
That looks good.
Look at this. Wow. Well, this is just looking at it. It's looking like it's just oozing goodness. Yeah. This is one of my favourites. It's just got, it's like really super sweet. The sauerkraut in there as well. Yeah, the cheese. One of my favourites for sure. Obviously this one isn't as healthy feeling as the other lobster rolls we've had, but taste wise, yeah, this one's off the charts of taste. Really good. So the seafood wrap. Shrimp's good. They say I got all the seafoods caught this day, so it's all super fresh seafood. Yeah, the worst part, the end. I always panic when it comes to the end of a wrap. Normally I'll take a bite and a bit of juice will squirt out in a random direction. Yeah, this has just gone all over the table. That's okay. Yeah, I think this is missing like jalapenos in it or something. Just leaves that little, like, the seafood's super fresh in it, but it's missing either a bit of sauce, a different kind of sauce in there, or a bit of spice. But apart from that, it's really fresh, really good. But I think another good one from Triple D, Sally. The fish house. Yeah, good. So I have to recommend the fish house in Key Largo, but especially the Lobster Reuben. My goodness, that was a next level sandwich. I mean, even the lobster and the cheese alone would have been great, but the sauerkraut just elevated it to that, oh my goodness, level. Yep, highly recommend that place. Thank you again, Triple D. So we've got maybe just over an hour drive left now to get to Miami, in particular Miami Beach. Because we're coming incredibly under budget so far, well, not incredibly, but enough to say let's get somewhere nice in Miami. We're actually going to be staying at the Hilton. We're just in Miami now. So we've got another 35-40 minutes drive until we get to Miami Beach. But look at these dark clouds. It's not really the welcome to Miami we were hoping for, but out of all the times it's rained on this trip, I've complained, I've not been happy with it. It's been miserable biking, it's been some of the worst biking, but today is a bit different because it's been so hot. Oh God, you. Oh my God. Anyway, sorry, guys just was running red lights. But as I was saying, as I've got slightly sunburnt today biking with just my shorts on, I am welcoming this cool, cold sprinkle of rain. Even I won't mind a downpour for a bit because my legs are on fire. Poor burnt lobster legs. Beautiful Miami with a not so beautiful dark rain cloud. Oh, happy burnt legs. Over the bridge to Miami Beach. If the sun was out, it'd be a little bit more picturesque, but as I've said a few times already, I am loving this refreshing rain. I don't think Gaz is too happy because he's just put a fresh pair of cleanly laundered jeans on, so now he's going to have wet jeans for the next few days. Yeah. The Hilton Cabana. Oh, yeah, I don't think I should be parking out. Where's he? Yeah.
Are you going with the hotel?
Yeah. We're staying. Checking in.
It's going to be 40 a night. Is that okay?
40 a night. Do you know anywhere that isn't 40 a night?
There is. We're going to do $20 per bite.
20 a bite, that's fine, yep. Yep.
Alright, I want it.
Oh, cheers, thank you. Follow him.